Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today with day 28 for the No New November Junk Journal Challenge. And I'm doing this with Mrs. GIgi. You'll find all the links to her group, her YouTube, my group, down in the description box on my Linktree link. And day 28 is plastic packaging for washi tape washi tape sample tags. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a sort of a tag, but not a tag. So I'm going to take this washi here, okay, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to go around, wait, this is not going to work the way I want it. 2, I'm going to go around maybe twice. So this is 1. Oh, that's not too good. Here's 1. You can't get it too straight on this. I don't like this one. So I'm going to change it a bit. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm going to cut it small. I'm going to use my trimmer here. And I want it about a 2.5 size tag. Okay. 2.5 lengthwise, and widthwise is probably 4, maybe. I don't have my ruler or anything to measure it, so we're just gonna make this into a washi tape tag. Now there we go. That is straight. I'm gonna go around one more time. I don't even know where. Oh, it stopped there. Okay. One more time. I don't know how they get it on here so straight. I can't get it on straight. This is the only... Okay. Now what I'm gonna do so I can find the end easy, I'm just gonna put a little, fold over a little, tiny bit of the tape. Okay, so that one's it. We got this one. Pardon the glue on my fingers. And the same thing here. I'm gonna go a little bit longer than what I need. Like so. And so the end can be found easier. Like that. So it pops up. And we're gonna do one more, and when I put my tape away, my washi, I just do that. I fold the ends up. That way it's easier to find the end when I need it. Now, I'm gonna go for one more, maybe 2 or 3. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one, which is very glittery. And this one doesn't stick on its own, so I have to get a piece of tape to tape it down. Unless, is this tape? No. So, I'm going to get some double-sided tape, just a tiny little piece, to hold it to the card. Okay? Or hold it to the tag, I should say. And then I'm going to get my lovely little pokey tool here. Put that to the side, my pokey tool. That was made by Zena, the Sassy Crafter, here on YouTube. Like so. And start wrapping it. One more time. And again, I'm just going to take the double-sided tape and tape this one down because this one is going to come off. There we go. Put that back up. Clean this out. Oh, that went to my keyboard. Not so good. And this I'm going to have to, let's see, maybe I can take a piece of this washi and tape that one down. Tighten that up a little bit. And yep, that worked. That's good. So I'm going to take this one. And just wrap it around. Okay, so this is my washi tape tag here. All I have to do is take it now. My hole punch has disappeared. If it's not one thing disappearing, it's another. So that's my washi tape tag. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a new video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Also, please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be safe, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye.